Hello friends, so what I'm going to show you today is very important, is how you can remove the noise from your video. Okay, right now you can hear the noise of the fan. Hello friends, so what I'm going to show you today is very important, is how you can remove the noise from your video. Okay, right now you can hear the noise of the fan. So now I'm going to show you exactly how I achieve this. I mean, how I have done or how I remove the noise from the background. Okay. So first of all, removing the noise, what you have to do, you have to search in Google Adobe Podcast Enhance. Okay. Enhance speech from audio free AI filter for cleaning up the noise from your video background. So you have to access there and you have to choose the file from here. Okay. If you choose any file from here, what it will do is gonna analyze the video of yours, and it will give after first it will upload the video, like it is uploading in your own server, and after uploading the video it will analyze the video and give you this option. Okay, like speech, music, background. You have to pull this trigger up, speech section, for getting more crispy sound. Crispy sound means if you keep the lever in this area, then the your voice will bit lower. Okay, so you have to pull this lever to 100%, and the music section here you cannot hear any music, so down to 0. Background, it is must, it is essential. All the background noise will be removed if you pull down the trigger or pull down the lever from here. So all the thing has done, I have to download from here. Okay, if I download this section, then it will start to download. Okay, so this is how you can remove the noise from the background from any video.